So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Masterclass by Sarkar. So this would be a different kind of video because the topic I would be taking today isn't related to JEE at all. So it's the name of the chapter is Principal Component Analysis. I would basically cover the theoretical background of the chapter and it is mainly used in machine learning. Okay, so let's head on to the video. Okay, so what was the name of the chapter? PCA, right? Principal Component Analysis. So why we need to learn this chapter? So let me give you an example. The answer to the question is we need to learn the chapter to solve the problem of overfitting, right? Why overfitting? Now you might be wondering what this term is all about. So you should have a prior knowledge of this. I am just telling you in simple words what overfitting is. So if you have two attributes 1 and 2 and there are various points and a line is there which is trying to touch all these points, but it can't, but it is trying to touch all the points. This is overfitting. एक बड़े से डेटा को अगर हम छोटे में कंपाइल करना चाहें, ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाई वी नीड PCA एंड सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ओवरफिटिंग. अंडरफिटिंग में एक और टर्म होता है जहाँ पे लाइन पॉइंट्स अलग होते हैं और लाइन तो कुछ और डायरेक्शन में जाता है, ठीक है. सो how can we do this, right? How can we do this? And this would be the first video lecture and this would just cover the basic knowledge. More videos would come obviously on that. So to do that we need some views or principal components. चीज़ें सिंप्लीफाई करना हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है, ठीक है. व्यूज़ मतलब क्या, कहाँ से मैं देख रहा हूँ. अगर मैं इसी लाइन को इस साइड से देखूँ तो मेरे को दिखेगा एक लाइन और पॉइंट्स इधर एंड वी नेम इट एज PC1, राइट. एंड वी सी 2D हैज़ बीन कन्वर्टेड टू 1D, सिंप्लीफाई हो चुका है, राइट. दिस इज PC1. व्हाट वुड बी PC2? अगर मैं यहाँ से देखो तो आप लोग बोलोगे तो अरे 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 तब तो ये एकदम पॉइंट हो गया, मतलब जीरो डायमेंशन थिंग. बट एक्चुअली इट डज नॉट हैपन इन दिस केस. व्हाट वी कंसिडर हियर, वी कंसिडर एन इमेजिनरी लाइन और ये पॉइंट्स का प्रोजेक्शन ऑन दिस लाइन, राइट. सो अगेन व्हाट वी सी इज अ लाइन and various points. This is a PC2. Again 2D to 1D. See, so this brings us to the first property that we should always keep in mind, right? What is the first property? Let us see. The first property is number of principal components or the PCs are less than equal to number of attributes. चैप्टर थोड़ा टेढ़ा है लेकिन आप अगर ध्यान से सुनोगे तो it would be a piece of cake. This is the first property. And also we should keep in mind, मान लीजिए कि हम लोग के पास 5 एट्रीब्यूट, तो ऐसा आएगा मेरे पास PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5. So the priority would be first PC5, then PC1, then PC3, then PC2. फर्स्ट हम लोग हायर को कंसिडर करेंगे, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट, राइट. दिस यू शुड कीप इन माइंड. ओके, नाउ the next important thing that we should keep in mind, and with that I would be ending the video. बस 5-7 मिनट का ही हर एक वीडियो का लेक्चर होगा. That is, one principal component should be orthogonal to the other, right. ऑर्थोगोनल मतलब इधर क्या होगा कि PC1 won't depend on PC2, right. Also you could also see from this example that I have given to you previously, right. इधर पॉइंट्स हैं, मैंने आपको बोला there are many points. ये वाला जो PC1 है ये मैं इधर से देख रहा हूँ और इसका कोई रिलेशन नहीं है PC2 से. They're both independent. क्योंकि अगर कोई रिलेशन होता then we won't say that these two things are different. So we should keep in mind that PC1 and PC2 here is independent of each other. Right, they're not dependent. So this is all for this video, just the basic I have told you. From next video lecture I would be digging deep into the topic and explaining you the whole stuff. So if you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and milte guys next video mein. Bye bye, peace out.